Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show a quick review about one of the loan app called RupeeRedee. I have already installed RupeeRedee in my phone. I open it and see here it asking for permission to access camera location. Then click on accept, and I am going to give my number and get code. So to log in into this app, you need to give your phone number, then it will send one OTP, and just type the OTP here 764 then 179. Click on next. If you are new user, it will show how much amount they are going to give, but here I have already taken a loan. It is active and the repayment date is 11/6/2024. Next payment amount 606.30. Okay, I am going to press on loan details. So this is the loan details that I have taken from this loan ID, then loan status, loan tenor 62 days, loan amount dispersed 9,000 they have dispersed, and repayment amount is 13,260. so nearly 4,260 should be paid extra. Okay, so it is almost 40%, 40% interest. Okay, but if you really need amount, you can take a loan from this. This is also genuine app, not 7 days app. Repayment schedule, click on repayment schedule here. I have to pay by 2 terms. Okay, first month I have to pay this much, and then in the next month I have to pay the same 6,630. okay, and also here documents available, loan agreement, sanction letter will be available here. You can read. Okay, so this is not a harassment app, but interest rate is too high. If you need urgent money, you can take a loan from this, otherwise don't take it. Okay, finally I can conclude this, that this RupeeRedee is real app. Okay, it's not a fake app. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.